Go, Misty.
All right here in the blue shirt.
Only one, but
just one volunteer over here. Okay.
I don't know.
Alex.
Alex. All right.
What up? What's your name?
Misty.
Misty? Can you volunteer?
Why not?
Yeah.
All right. It's on.
Hold it up.
Whenever you're ready. Okay, I'm just gonna do a test right here. Just gonna.
Okay.
All right.
We're gonna react out pretty good sounds. Oh, great.
Go ahead.
I could probably do this over there, too.
Everybody, let's give a big round of applause to our audience volunteers.
Let's just hug this out because we've been fighting for too long. I would really like to get back to our project.
Please.
We do got it back that project.
Are those balloons?
How did you notice?
I heard the squeaks.
I'm awfully embarrassed.
I'm gonna pop one of them.
No! Pop!
I'm just gonna leave the other.
Okay.
Let's work on the project.
You have to do it. Get rid of it. I don't want it.
I don't know why I made the sound effects myself. Really clearly already.
I'll do this myself. I obviously don't need your help.
I'm gonna put it on idle.
Alright. Making a tree house. So pick that up back up.
The project.
That is the project.
Oh, I know. All right. It takes a couple times to start.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab that little squishy thing.
Yeah,
I need to oil the squishy thing. Okay, here we go. It should start right up, super loud. I've got another mic. Okay.
I'll just go here. Stop it. Alright, I'm ready to wood.
Get the wood! No, wait, bring the wood. I'm going to pull the axe off the wall. It always...
Oh no, all the wood fell over. Okay.
All right.
Alright.
Do you want me to chop it?
If you must.
The thing is stuck on the end of my axe.
Alright.
I know, third kid today. I don't know what I'm going to do.
Alright.
Let's just stack them like leaf cloth.
That makes sense.
Okay, stack it quietly. Okay.
Alright, should we hammer like one giant nail through it? One giant nail, get all
Have
at
a
once.
giant nail somewhere? Must have been expensive.
Top of the line. Alright.
Okay, I'll get the sledgehammer.
Get it. I'll move it.
Just, yeah. Both hands. I won't hit you.
Now let's take it even. Are you
The wind.
Right, get it.
And this is a really ominous situation because if I hit you in the head, you
Thanks
die.
What's
We're
happening
getting the
is
store.
so great now.
Oh, it's raining. It's
Oh,
thundering.
yes,
No, I got it. I practiced in the rain.
Lightning! What about the lightning and my giant nail?
What?
My giant metal nail and the lightning?
Why are you holding some metal nail? Oh, yeah, sorry. It melted. I'll just try. I'll try
Okay,
again.
yeah, it'll so we're still hard. Yeah. Got it. They surely won't let you in. You were supposed to count before you tried it.
Oh, were you still holding on?
Gosh, gosh, gosh.
Look at that blood. I'm going to rip Pan's leg off. Your hands are Too tight.
Obviously, the waitress must have seen.
Oh, Mrs. Smith, she's always up.
She's nosy.
Really early. Okay, let's get you to the ambulance. All right. Yeah, I cut her hands off.
I should be going into
No,
a Spanish
no,
shop.
it's good. One.
Let them take me. They know what they're doing.
All
Not like
right.
you.
I'm going to keep you working on it, our treehouse.